Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods. I just wanted to show you this little necklace I made recently. There you go, it's this Punisher skull. I did post it on Instagram and Facebook. So just a quick breakdown on the parts I used here. I have a striker that was from Etsy. It came with another ferro rod. That was about £6.48. I added on 2 titanium beads, which I also got from Amazon actually, and that was $6.99 for 2 of them. The Punisher skull was $6.99. The ferro rod came in a set. That was $6.47 for 3. And the compass I bought ages ago, that was £6. And this little toggle bit here I had ages, or something else. But cheap little project. As you can see here, I'm trying to get the light. I mean, it looks nice. I mean, some people might not want the little compass on it. Also, you're going to say that it doesn't work near metal, but on this, what I did was I pulled that up. So that does slide, and then this does move away. So you could use this in a pinch if you had to. That was my idea on it anyway. You might not like that on there. You might just want these 4 items on there, and that's it. It's up to you. But I just thought it was a nice little idea to make. On the tail end of it, I had those safety snaps, which come off as any pressure, but and then inside the paracord's burned. I put this on there because then if this opened on me and I lost my necklace, I'm gonna be pissed off. So I put this on so that if this does anything damage, this, or something happens and this just comes off, I would still notice before I lose my necklace. That was just my idea behind it. But before you say anything, if say my body weight or something happened and this snagged on something, which never happens in the years I wore paracord, the paracord would just come out anyway, so it wouldn't choke me. I mean, it's only burned on the end, so it would just slide right out if there was that much pressure on me. So let me just show you with another ferro rod. The ceramic bit. Let me just get the metal off. Can you see that? So it does work. I mean, this one's still pretty new. You can see there's not much black taken off it, coating. I just don't want to mark up this. Probably should have got a black one or grey one. I think they sell as well. But like I said, just some ideas, just messing about. I wanted to share with you guys. You might think it's a good idea, you might not. But yeah, that's something I've been up to while the weather's been so bad. Alright, let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.